Hello everybody, hello. Welcome to my channel. Hope you enjoy the show. Subscribe, click the like button and enjoy the show. So today, I really need to ask a favor. I've got a bit of a problem. We need to finish this. And we need to finish this. You can see all the dust that's collecting. This engine belongs to that other one that looks like this, but the convertible. That chassis belongs to the other one that looks like this, but the convertible. I'll show you a bit now, but we've got these racks up here that are busy getting chowed by some wood bug. And on top here, we've got some heavy equipment. Okay, if this falls, it'll only damage the front of that car, which is not ideal, but there's a lot of spares here that I need to clear, and I just don't have the space for everything. I need help, people, with this whole lockdown thing. Things are going very slowly. Above these two cars, we are sitting with another chassis. Okay, it's at least resting on that I-beam there, but who knows what condition that piece of plank is. I see there's a crack over there, but oh my sack. Then the other one is sitting in here. This is the convertible that looks like this one. It's a 1938 SS Jag Drop It 3.5. There's all the spares, but again, there's all these racks above it that are busy getting charred by some wood bug. You can see that rack there is already busy dropping, and all this shit is gonna fall on it. I need space to clear this garage. If anybody have any suggestions, please help. Over here we've got spares. There's spares. I don't know if you can see, there's a bit sticking out, but I'll have to move that piece of bodywork to get it out of that gap. Now for me to get up there, I need to move up these stairs and climb through that bit. So ladder up. This ladder is also a little bit wonky, and then up we have to move these two. This is also Mark IV kind of back pieces. You can see this is the fender, and then that is where the boot sits. That's the back seat. Now these platforms are full of bore holes, There's little bugs that's chowing the wood. I'll show you little examples just now. There you can see the wood. There's a little hole. There you can see all these holes. So I don't know when all of this is going to fall. Hopefully I can get it out before it falls. So here you can see it's the back of one of the Mark IVs. There's two body pieces like that. And then here's the frame. I think it's the frame, but it's stuck over there. So I just need to move these bodies slightly over, and then maybe I can fit it. But I think that is it, what you're looking for. I'm not a very good photographer, sorry about that, but I'll get it out of here someday. And so just to show you from the other side, some more spares, the body of the SS. We've got some more spares. There's two front doors, there's two back doors, and you can see this thing is starting to fall. Please help. Check, it's so overgrown. You can't even get to that garage. And we also have this Butte XJ6. And I don't know if you can see, but this is one of those fenders for the Mark IV. There's another one. There's another one. So there's two here. Got some gearboxes that I need to get rid of. Some Jag engines, gearbox, engine, another engine. And up here we've got, there's 1-2 fenders and another 1-2 fenders, also for the Mark IV. So we can make some nice vehicles here if I can get somebody to help me out with some space, so I can clear out and we can manage better. So if anybody have any recommendation or any help, we would really appreciate it. I'll give you details below for how to contact me, and please, if anybody have any insight, any help, I would really appreciate it. I hope you guys have a good evening. Stay safe, stay safe from this fake virus. Yes, I said it. Yeah, enjoy the weekend. Ciao.